This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by David Balderas. Gorgeous pool home on a quiet cul-de-sac in private lake community. Over 1/4 acre lot with no rear neighbors. The lake has a dock for rowboats. The double glass door entry leads to open floor plan featuring vinyl plank flooring installed in 2020. The family room has 2 sets of double French doors leading to the lanai. The lanai features Florida privacy glass, a Kool deck, large 6-foot deep heated pool, and hot tub. In 2021, a new Hayward filter, pool variable speed pump and a tropical electric pool heater were put in. There is access to a bathroom with a shower directly from the lanai. The kitchen features Cambria Quartz countertops and a Kraus stainless steel sink replaced in 2020. The master bedroom has French doors leading to the pool and a master bathroom complete with a 2-person jetted tub, double vanity and newer tiled walk-in shower, 2020. Other features include air conditioner unit 2020, replaced ductwork 2021, guest bathroom tub replaced 2020, exterior paint 2018, roof replaced 2017, replaced Pella windows, and solar attic fan. For more information,